The upper shock is located right here on this hatchback. So it's underneath the felt on the side compartment. You might have to take the plastic out. On this particular model, I don't have to. I'm just going to pull down on the carpet. Pull it back. And expose the shock top. Now you could use a wrench and use a small pair of another pliers, or it's probably about a 1/4 inch wrench and hold the center stud if you don't have an air tool. $15mm socket on the bottom shock bolt. So to install the bushing kit, the metal bracket goes on the bottom, leaving the rubber facing up. This bushing has the 4 notches, and that goes right up into the body, and it will clip in and stay in. And you want to put it on there, not on the shock, because you could end up breaking the plastic and it won't seat correctly. For best results when mounting the rear shock, to bring it to the proper ride height, unless you have a drive-on lift, I suggest jacking up the suspension so it mimics the ride height. So you're going to bring your shock, line it up the top hole, put it right through, and now you're going to have to compress the shock to stop that bolt. Now you install the new bushing, metal up, rubber down, and you could put the square on the outside. So it'll look like that. New Teflon nut. Same size as the other one, 17mm socket.